Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class, I am going to teach one of the best math trick on how to cube a number that has different digits. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. In the last class, we have discussed on how to find the cube of a number that are having same digits. So today in this class, let's move to the next type, that is type 4. Type 4 is numbers having different digits. Different digits. Those who have not watched the type 1, type 2 and type 3 problems, I have given the video link in the description box and also in iCard, so you can watch the video later. To find the cube of any number in a faster way, first we have to memorize the cubes of first 10 natural numbers. So these are all the cubes of first 10 natural numbers. Examples for type 4 problems are 26, 34, 48, 57, 61, etc. Here all these numbers are having different digits. So these are all belongs to type 4 problems. Now let us understand on how to find the cube of a numbers having different digits by working out with some examples. Example 1. Let us find the cube of 24, that is 24 whole cube. In the first step, we have to cube each digit of the given number, that is the value of 2 cube is 8 and the value of 4 cube is 64. In the second step, first we have to square the first digit of the given number, that is 2 square is 4 and that 4 is to be multiplied with the second digit of the given number, that is 2 square is 4, 4 into 4 is 16. Again in the third step, we have to square the second digit of the given number, that is 4. 4 square is 16 and this 16 is to be multiplied with the first digit of the given number, that is 4 square is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. And the remaining things are all same as in previous type problems, that is we have to leave the first number and the last number and we have to double these two numbers, that is 16 plus 16 is 32, 32 plus 32 is 64. Now we have to add, we have to write 4 as it is and we have to take this 6 as carry. Here 64 plus 6 is 70, 70 plus 32 is 102. We have to write 2 here and we have to take 10 as carry. 10 plus 16, 26, 26 plus 32 is 58. We have to write 8 here, 5 carry. Here 8 plus 5 is 13. This is the answer for 24 whole cube. Example 2. Now let us cube the number 32 whole cube. In the first step, we have to cube each digit of the given number. That is 3 cube is 27 and 2 cube is 8. In the second step, we have to square the first digit of the given number. That is 3 square is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. In the third step, we have to square the second digit of the given number, and then we have to multiply with the first digit of the given number. That is 2 square is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Now we have to leave the first number and the last number, and we have to double these two numbers. That is 18 plus 18 is 36. 12 plus 12 is 24. Then we have to add 8. 12 plus 24 is 36. Write 6 here, and we have to take 3 as carry. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 36 is 57. So write 7 here, and we have to take 5 as carry. Now 27 plus 5 is 32. That is 32,768 is the answer for 32 whole cube. In the third example, let us cube the number 54. That is 54 whole cube is equal to, in the first step, we have to cube each digit of the given number. So here the 5 cube is 125 and the 4 cube is 64. And in the second step, we have to square the first digit, and so the square of 5 is 5 square is 25, and this 25 is to be multiplied with the second digit of the given number. So 25 into 4 is 100. In the third step, we have to square the second digit of the given number. That is 4 square is 16, and this 16 is to be multiplied with the first digit of the given number. So 16 into 5 is 80. And then we have to leave the first number and the last number, and here we have to double these two numbers. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 80 plus 80 is 160. Here we have to write 4 as it is, and this 6 is taken as carry. 160 plus 80 is 240. 240 plus 6 is 246. Write 6 here and take 24 as carry. 200 plus 100 is 300. 300 plus 24 is 324. So write 4 here and take 32 as carry. Now 125 plus 32. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 as it is. That is 1,57,464 is the answer for 54 whole cube. Last example, let us find the cube of 71. That is 71 whole cube. In the first step, we have to cube each digit of the given number. Here 7 cube is 343. 1 cube is 1 itself. In the second step, we have to square the first digit of the given number. That is 7 square is 49. This 49 is to be multiplied with this one. So 49 into 1 is 49 itself. In the third step, we have to square the second digit of the given number. This 1 square is 1, and this 1 is to be multiplied with 7. So 1 into 7 is 7. Next, we have to leave the first number and the last number, and we have to double these two numbers. So 49 plus 49 is 98. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now we have to add this 1. 14 plus 7 is 21. 1 to carry. 98 plus 2 is 100. 100 plus 49, 149. So write 9 here and take 14 as carry. 4 plus 3, 7. 1 plus 4, 5. 3 as it is. That is 3,57,911 is the answer for 71 whole cube. Now let us check our answers with the help of calculator. 71 whole cube is nothing but we have to multiply 71 3 times. The answer is 3,57,911. We have our answer 3,57,911. Hence the answer obtained is correct. By following these simple steps, we can easily find out the cube of any number that are having different digits. For more math tricks, keep watching my channel. Thanks for watching.